Get higher cheekbones. If you want to create the look of really high cheekbones, then next time you apply your bronzer, apply it like this. So you're going to find a brush that's slightly smaller than a bronzing brush. So a blush brush is perfect for this technique. And you're going to take your bronzer and you're going to swirl the brush into the bronzer and tap off any excess. So most of the time when we apply a bronzer, we start on the apples of our cheeks. But in this technique, you're going to start with your brush towards the top of your ear here. And you're going to take your brush and you're going to swirl it down into a C to end about the apple of your cheek here. And you're going to dust the colour from the top to the bottom. Look how defined my cheekbones look compared to this side of my face. The secret to this bronzer technique working is that most of your bronze application is focused towards the back of your face here. And when you create more shade here, naturally your face is going to look more chiseled, and that in turn is going to make your cheekbone look higher and more lifted. Try doing this with your bronzer at home and watch your cheekbones pop. My name's Katie and I'm a professional makeup artist. Follow me for more beauty tips like this.